we're at the 2024 SEMA show in beautiful Las Vegas, Hot Rod Alley in the Central Hall, and we're with Comp Clutch. Chris, what do we got to talk about today?
We got single disc clutches to talk about today. We go from stock replacement all the way up to high power performance clutch kits. We start off with a just base stock pressure plate on our stock replacement kits. And then we also, in the same way, offer the same fitment, but with a high clamp load pressure plate that then is matched up with each of our different flavor of discs. We offer a organic style clutch kit in a sprung hub that gives you great feel and power grab for you, but it's just gonna be nice and easy for all of our street driving cars. And then you can graduate up when you make more power using the same style pressure plates into our ceramic clutch disc that's gonna hold power. It's gonna have a quick bite. It's gonna do what you need it to do, and it's gonna be a nice little piece for you. And then for all of our guys that are making big power out there who really need something to hold, you can get up to our 6-puck clutch kit. That's gonna be able to hold any kind of power that you can throw at it and any kind of abuse too as well. And then to wrap it all off, we offer our lightweight and ultra lightweight flywheel. And then for certain applications, we also offer a nodular steel flywheel too as well. With the ultralights, you can pack any of these clutch kits with them, and too as well with our ultralights. All of our kits have matching flywheels for them that all you gotta do is just buy the kit, match it up to the flywheel, and you're good to go.
And these clutch kits are sold in stages, right?
That is correct. So you have our stage 2, which is the organic, the stage 3, which is the ceramic, and the stage 4, which is the ceramic 6-puck option.
So really, it's if you've got a stock daily driver that you just want to replace the clutch in, you got an OE spec one, and like you said, goes up to the big power motors, right?
Yes, that is correct, yeah. So with that, you can kind of pick any kind of which way you gotta go. You know, just pick out which option that you're doing, and you can go in and have everything that you need.
Sounds like a good plan.
Does.
Right on. Well, this SEMA 2024 show with Competition Clutch. Chris, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for having me. Appreciate you guys coming out.
We'll see you around.
See you guys.